Hello, it's me, Ms. Harris, back for another week of Saxophone Beginners. So I hope everyone had a great week, given the circumstances. And I would love it if you guys would send me a video. A lot of kids have been sending videos and also have been writing and asking questions about things and letting me know that they're practicing and all kinds of stuff. So I would really like to hear from more kids from the beginner saxophone class. And I hope that you're having a good time with your saxophone. And we're moving on now to page 7 in the book. And we're going to do the new note. So the new note is going to be E. And the new note E is a lot like D, which hopefully you already know D. At this point, I'm assuming that you know D. So if you don't know it, you should go back to the other videos where I explain the fingerings and you can play D. Once you have D, all you have to do is lift this finger and you have E. And in fact, since we're talking about it, here's D, E. What do you think this next one is? What's the next letter in the alphabet after E? F. D, E, F. But we're just learning E. So remember, we have these 3 down. And 1, 2. And thumb. The upper key on the back, okay? That's E. And I thought that maybe we could play notes going from the G, and we'll just do them in order. We'll do 4 G's, 4 A's, 4 B's, 4 C's, 4 D's, and 4 E's. Are you ready? Here we go. Start with G. 1, 2, here we go. A. B. C. D. E. Nice. I hope that you were able to do it. You can hear me playing my notes, and I'm using my tongue. I'm going ta, ta. On my reed, I'm going ta, 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 ta. All right? When I'm blowing, I lift my tongue off of the reed. I go ta, 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 ta. And that's how I'm making the sound. Okay. Ready? Let's do number 1 on page 7. Number 1 on page 7 uses 3 different notes. It uses the new note E, it uses the note D, and it uses the note C. So hopefully you know what these notes look like by now. And if you don't, we'd probably go back again to those other videos and make sure we understand how to read music. But I think that you do. If you have any questions, though, you need to contact me. Okay? If you have any questions, or you just want to let me know how you're doing. So number 1, we're going to go over the names of the notes. And the names of the notes in number 1 are C, D, E. D, E, D. E, D, E, C, D, E, D, C. And then there's those 2 dots at the end. What do those 2 dots mean? Repeat. And we have to repeat it. Okay, I'm going to play it on saxophone, and you can play it with me. Ready? Start on C. 1, 2, here we go. 2, repeat. Hey, you know what? I can make up a song using just those notes that we know. Just G, A, B, C, D, and E. I'm going to make up a song. Here I go. You should make up a song. It's fun. There's no right or wrong. It's just making up a song. And if you do make up a song, you know that I'd love to hear it. Okay, you want to move on? Let's move on to number 2, line number 2. And the thing about line number 2 is look at what happens with the repeat at the end. Do you see that when we have the repeat at the very end, the 2 dots, that now we have to go all the way only to here? That's where the other repeat mark is. So now instead of going all the way back to the beginning, we're going to just go to here. So we play the whole thing, then we just play that little thing. And don't look at the notes because I just showed you the clarinet book. No, actually I lie. I showed you the trumpet book. Okay, I think that you should try this without us going over every name of every note and every count and every rest. You can see the rests. We have quarter note rests. They get 1. We have the repeat. It looks like it's using every note. And so, yay, let's go for it. Okay? What note does it start on? C. 1, 2, 1, 2. Here we go. Rest. 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 Repeat. Rest. Rest. How about with the guitar? Sure thing. So, it's Lag BaOmer on Tuesday. Did you have fun? Hopefully you didn't start a big bonfire in the middle of nowhere or in Squirrel Hill. That'd be crazy. I just know we're all going to be together one of these days. So, one of these days. Okay. Here it is. We're going to do number 2, and you get a chance to play a solo because I'm playing the guitar. So it's like we're just a little mini band. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. Repeat. that was lovely. I couldn't hear you all the way over here in the Greenfield section of Squirrel Hill, but I will if you send me a recording. So I will look forward to that. Okay. I hope you have a lovely, lovely week. And I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Be well. Bye-bye.